Hi guys, welcome back. This is a scenery that I have drawn. I'm in love with nature, so I always look into inspirations around me. And this is one of those that I have come across when I was traveling across New Zealand. So I have made some changes to the original scenery that I have seen. So I like houses or huts that's built on wood and on the village sides. So I thought I'll give this one a try. So I used Procreate to actually draw this one and slowed it down into like a time lapse video. So I think this is almost around 5 to 6 minutes, but I have put it in a way that it's pretty slow so you guys can follow. This is also for students, so if you guys want to go into a drawing competition, a penciling competition, or even coloring competition, you can actually copy this one. You can learn from this drawing. If it's a penciling one, you can straight away use the type of shading I have done or improvise on it. Or if it's a coloring competition, you can actually draw the outline and color this one. So this is like a hut, as you can see, and there is some mountains actually coming behind it as it comes through. There are some big rocks, and this house is also staying on a wooden platform, which is actually not on the ground. So it's on a curved surface on a hill, and some part of the house is close to the ground and the other part is elevated, and they are supported by the wood. So you can see I'm starting to draw some of those rocks and the mountain line diagrams, and later I am going forward and giving them some shades to give that contrast of how it looks when the light falls onto them. So this gives you a rough idea of how you should be doing some shading. I have improvised on this in a way that it looks appealing to me. I have tried different versions of it, and I finally thought, yeah, this is the one that I liked, and I hope you guys would love this as well. So if you like this video, please definitely give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. And if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below. Just to even if you don't like it, just say why you didn't like it, or if you want us to upload a particular video or about a scenery or any character, let me know. I'll definitely give it a try. Put it in the comments below and I will definitely respond back to you. I love drawing. I love creating character drawings. I like sceneries more because I think I relate myself and I relieve and feel very happy when I make scenery drawings. Sometimes I do pencil drawings on a piece of paper, and you could look into my channel to see some of those ones. I also have uploaded cartoon drawings in my channel, so have a look into my channel. Enjoy those videos, and if you specifically need a particular type of scenery, or if you're going for a competition and if it has a particular subject, or if you are going for an online competition or someone has asked you to submit a particular drawing, you can ask for help. I would definitely give it a try and upload it in YouTube so you can work on those drawings. So yeah, this drawing is getting to almost 4 minutes. Almost half of it is done. So I have done the drawing, and after that I'm just giving it a voiceover. So always keep myself motivated to do this drawing. So even I do mostly like batch productions during the weekends. So what I do in the weekends, I just take like 1 or 2 hours and then go into my studio and start doing my drawings and videos completed over there. Yeah, so it is something if you're passionate about doing, if you love doing something, you can actually do it and help others to find joy, or help others to learn from your experiences and your skill sets. That's what I'm trying to give here. So tomorrow our video would be also on a scenery, but it's not specifically a scenery. It would involve more human in it. Maybe like someone with a character might be doing some activity around a scenery, so it might be more involved. I'm looking for making maybe a drawing like an old woman, maybe in her 80s or something, maybe doing some activity, maybe like cooking, maybe on probably outside her house or just in front of a hut, so that I can capture the scenery and also